Agya Koo de all time obi anyam beating a record. Eba miracle films there one make miracle films all time. Medina yes so many wonders and Nana Mcbrown. Empress. Na a ye stars are who nyina pie. And son na beti my star no. This Empress de Oloba. Obi bia. Emi di ni pie bia na Mcbrown. Acrobato Nana Mcbrown de ni pie. Mercy Edu Nana Mcbrown de ni pie. Even including the win. We don't need money from government. Yes go. Perfect app on adopt on class no adopt perfect app. For long come say any day ye nyina ye ko perfect app.
Okay, over some months now when Poleeno Multimedia I also say the name Kumawood no ye man and die out, and I say Kumasi based movie industry no ye man no and die out. Ye besa abohondero ama sign any abedaso. And see but today happens to be a great day. The man himself, Miracle Films, evangelist Samuel, a question of Miche, everything I didn't come. I'm so privileged, sir. Metin and Jen Pair, you Papa, Pastor Mark about Poleeno Multimedia.
Vejoso.
Papa, you sang getting a tea with you. Yabinina, Yabishia, I know what you can come. What about you, but you started industry and favor saying so doing in
I'm about 95 until we hear more getting to be 25, about 26 years.
Wow.
26 years.
Okay, yet see baby say and coffee jay ton CD phones but all the year who say such moves. I didn't hear. Say industry no come from no be as will be investing say industry no come from there man go for phones on meton man go yewe meton.
Oh, I believe say industry no a investment base.
Okay.
The nipa no buy or invest ya office say we invest and san kan sika back. At least so pull out no per day obetimi aboa no. But you say maybe the industry na me buy. Definitely I'm try hard say mebo modern na yetimi asande from no asababa.
Okay, yes say emre say me senior wa you say e kasai. Or say hard times we say by na change from VHS to CD no. A better problem and sales e from but or try so much hard say we be man bounce back. And a nice no you must see face the same challenge. Miracle being and I say miracle being or they switch from that bad sales to good sales now.
It's true. Maybe 95 no. Now you a year your friend or showing.
Okay.
And he shows in no resine Odeon other Rivory Sano. You just say what me our sales. And a tiny back cassette.
Okay.
Cassette no a video no. Piamon kono. A bad video. The bad video no if you hono a human society rough because of transition. If you want a CD.
Okay.
Yes, social could see this with the same thing.
Okay.
A human to form cry die out cry to see yeah. And a CD no echo offer to see echo online.
Okay.
And they say the problem is about online.
The transition
happen and ama industry is shaky.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know yet try say within the transition or you bit me online or you bit me fix your home within the online. Okay. Say at least you bit myself man so back. Movies in the ocean all right.
Okay.
But the omo heno. A kwanya over first one from Zaka Usikano and I have problems to say.
Yes, I need to
because you mean come more. Because the more no I won't san council won't even continue to pump money in. So
okay. And see, Papa, yeah, can't nyoma win because Poleeno Multimedia now you didn't come up with but for few say maybe a good day be and I say we are just for social media trend but you move no send ye sorry I heard why and see a Jumano bedoya come so say yes you na a Juma win a per se but so unfortunate na ye nyina na adwuma no yesei nti e ha ye mu bi se adwuma na yesei nti e kan yanko na nanka itwa no se de na mutwa kane no nti ye interviews na bi dwen se bi a entokwa na se watwimi wakame no e no focus no e na agenda but ye pese mu se no ye pese ye hia mo sa na mo ye founders no na mo chere way forward that you bitim they are resolving the industry now.
The industry now no only just one problem.
Okay.
The problem is online.
Okay.
She say society no abe up.
Okay.
Society no she say you move any sales beyond go with app.
Okay.
We have a YouTube, we have Facebook, we have all the other Instagram at the same time Iroko.
Okay.
No dealing with Nigerian movies, the package or the Nigerian movies Some say problem abe.
Okay.
You me obi a obetimi aye apa. It is a Iroko. And I say apa. It is a YouTube.
Okay.
At the end of the day, you pay money before you watch.
Okay.
So I don't have any problems to say because so app no before so obetimi aye no like YouTube standard no.
Don't say nipa na ben.
Say nipa na ben at the same time sika so kom. And you ben just a ben keke. Sika so kom. Because server no is a huge. Say ubi e baswa
traffic be
amaso. That is our problem. My app ni bi na ya nipa baswa na jame. So that is a problem as at now. And it's as at now. See you nyina etimi nya app. Yenya app bi a ye try hwede. Perfect app.
Okay. Perfect TV.
Perfect app. Okay. Perfect TV. But because of say you nyina nya dwene nko.
Okay.
Emma obi amfiti asese ye advertam na ide be
aba
akoho.
Okay.
And then I'm try for now. Ye hwe ahwese bitimi.
Okay. I think say many bill as someone kasa or can want them.
Okay.
Perfect app. And I think say with people mobile app on I don't think there is a problem because your late IT students they are doing very very well in Ghana, even winning international awards. If you call Microsoft for money is it because mun share that research say yepe and for a bit me on my age on bit me app now.
The thing say you see enkotie drama no anya unse bedi kan kase iskasem because because ye no nya server kese is money.
Okay.
And you know we need to get the sales people, we need to get the marketers, the marketers, we need to get the people almost download where you call them, you forward it. All these things no iska. Miracle forms in point to me.
Okay.
It's not like a KGTR Cantamanto, I get my shop and no. This is a huge investment. It should be investing.
Okay.
Na yen nyina etimi ede ben. Now the more no yen nyina dey perfect. It
should drive everybody there.
So enu na sisi aka. Ye hwese maybe ibitimi akosa. But I believe strongly say it's possible. We say I'm all for new movies are.
No correct.
Old movies in there, you win on YouTube. What about the new one?
New ones,
New one. And you know, it's not about saying you'll be money. It's about money. You know, now we are trying to say, government need to me a bem. At least you know, end of the day, when you invest, but they are slow.
Okay, number two, you say there's some lobby easy senka, mobile access to the government.
Normally, no. The only nipa cancer, na se na ne kan omo ntiase. Omo we from producers around the government,
focusing
the focus new, and at the same time they don't believe that one is
going to work.
And you know, I'm gonna hear something like why not be actually because you know more producers are more part of the government, you know.
I'm cry your money.
They are not believe say app is a solution.
Okay.
And the one you lobby cannot work because at the end of the day, you know, we are trying the way we try our own working within CD, you know. Okay. And when we know say one day now we'll pick up because I believe strongly say Iroko one starting one day.
Yeah, and gradual process.
Ultimate hitting within the Iroko as at now in the whole world. ubia pick it up because they say you know app no ena a solution but okay other people person better say because say we ntimi nka say we ton CD
no correct
ntimi nka say we ton pen drive
right because obi ekita na smartphone
that is it all here ko asat now say television hwe kwa bed
me nka the last time me hear TV say me that so yeah
obi and recently I me ko US ladies be am no mo ti obi a hwe Chinese Netflix
okay
maybe I want the phone so o hwesa obi a dey say you know the world is your package she bottom
yeah
so this is me and that is the problem say to me call that area near app never see nya Ghana film app
yeah exactly
it's no miracle app na be me
obi a there
Ghana movie app ana ye nyina ye de se de ne de kantamanto ye de kejetia ye de makesek ye de opera square ye de perfect app Ghana film app Ghana film app and a perfect app
people
will go there. The government will get revenue.
Exactly.
But you can't. I'm tired though.
Papa yenya musumu bi say na mo na mo wa no amode ko aban mu ayi nti se mo pa abade ana se ye ba ide ye ni ano e de we kasampo nti em say push na mo push nti sometimes are you unu who say as a ye vote ma government we ba power because you who say government be ba power the film industry no omo yusu mu ye say monye campaign mai but omo ba na say omo yi money
for me I'm tired with all the governments about omo edi ahwangro
okay
so to say government will di ahwangro and definitely that's the way I see it. Okay. And I don't blame them.
Okay.
I don't blame the government. The idea, the powerful of the movie still.
Okay.
No ye film producers, ye part of the party no. Come bet me a chirabine say.
So Christopher Money,
other people I don't want to mention name. We have so many producers. Okay. They are part of the government. Omo say my government ni here say sini and a film no is very important. Film is very important. No wonder so Osafu Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. The dim penny pabiatrimu da.
Okay.
I'm telling you because Papa na yusu sini. I call remember say me papa catch him say mo mampon a mo be bana ya be yi sini
okay
ya be boss sini tenta na omo yi sini no awia na omo de osaude for pictures ne speech ni kakra na dia won
okay
and what is sini no nya de be
afutu anasa sama
no nya government no because sini enei ubetima flow be say Sunday preaching a buy no say onkai ba o ka che say Kumasi yonko obe catch you
eso ache
o ka che say sorry obe catch you so for daisy titles we catch you be within 70s obe catch you so for daisy we am here you see simi already say your mind so we sini aka
okay
enti sini ade a say any government bi o ye serious you su sini a obetima we ne power so easily
okay
but omunim na sini no omu fi say o ya kohwefo adwuma
okay
na well sikanim it's not true as of now your colleagues with Nigerians omo use sini and making a big time because as at now government ni pompi sika wuram YouTube ayeye government ni pompi sika almost about 200 million wuram to me they say they are dominate YouTube.
Yeah, exactly.
The comedy, rare movies, news, everything. Do you know say as at now the government now force YouTuber to tax at the Nigerian government.
Wow.
You know, say YouTube Africa. They want Nigeria.
Yeah.
Why? Because they know say si come pump econo. And they are using movie no to change their names. A DNA war somewhere 419 they are using movie to change it. I don't want to Nigeria 419. Upa yanko for Nigerian actor me gina ho. Yemfa Ghanaian actor in Africa. On be conquer obia. Even on conquer South Africa.
But papa yet say aha say na omo be sua adwuma no kra be ne wo.
Sanete. Omo sua adwuma no ha. Say senior adwuma na ye celluloid.
Okay.
Na nye video. Okay. Ti omo ne de no celluloid no. Anu be sua video, see the sitwa video ha. Don't be sure how they call it. Now they are taking.
And now all of a sudden,
because government no back one. Aha government no fascinating. I'm telling you. No crepe when the government no fascinating. Nim faso pa was in him. Nim. Sini ama Nigeria si come on. As at now we use we oil free wa. Next money is a movie.
Wow.
And plenty baby. You see, and I'm very sad because I buy a bar or the sad. Nkofun leading ye papa.
No.
Na why dear me? Oko. And a singing so one to me, I'm a senior, my you too. Believe me. Because sini, we have sini san. Sini influence nipa.
Exactly.
To want me, I'm my back. Na sini ntimi influence nkofo amawa no ano
obe free so
amobiaba so ntino me hu se ya bebi abegina no Ghana abegina no ye focus no wo creative arts no government na ho den shawo
okay
and onye na dwen se senior adwuma no obetimi a left in the back ministers ne ba omo nyina be ne na mo anu ko
okay
because me who impact be a person make
but mo no year meetings upon meetings
and I make us a meeting oh yeah the idea making be a minister who adopt it but other people around don't believe it and if there are other people is not believe it's no solution what do for instance maybe I obey me maybe the idea be based on the event is a YouTube blah 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 blah. You unimu because papa that is a problem the creative artist is facing now. And one of the things that I'm doing one mental sense. I'm doing a fan back of food. I'm not a member of MPP.
Okay.
So to say. Say my idea and I said idea and far who benefit
MPP. The government in power.
The government in power won't have a benefit. And the idea any money the makukwom makasa past there 5 years makasa we need up government ninya apa obetimi aye be apushi obia so
no cry
because abide the mra and ya juma
untimi mbonwem sa keke
sanity even YouTube brother sa ban we serious crab by YouTube and the YouTube trans
no ma be office
so office in there so YouTube they say you big office but the end of the day abandon the who would am a YouTube for who say government is a woman on my Ghana for you
exactly
so many people channel to me rich do baby are cutting off
exactly
obi revenue kosura ko do point be ehun say revenue no too extreme they are cutting off all these things nyina no mafia
okay
and other people doing it in YouTube Africa or Nigeria here
okay
it is buying them now buying to YouTube translate look this is my members make sure to say
recently on the YouTube short videos be about I said TikTok or video to na enko for her on the $100 million at so but her country say eligible Ghana and Cameroon but Nigeria can
on office no did there na OSPT government no premo the $100 million no eh say ko your government will to a creative as minister no wonim ade bi e friend YouTube
okay
wonim se nkofo jiska kura wonim se ese nya tax free government nim o kan o mfi you see that is a problem I face ebi mu kura be say YouTube no kura no eye nkwankura adwuma bi na eye na sa afodi agro it's a big job in Nigeria now
in the world.
No, I'm talking about Africa.
Okay.
We come West Africa. Why did they say you hold your call there?
People are making millions.
People are making millions of dollars for China.
Yeah.
I'm for making millions of dollars for US based on YouTube.
YouTube, just videos.
Just videos. Just videos.
And so imagine say Ghana, yes, on a millions of dollars. I say, scabable money.
That's it. What do you have $100 million? You know, Ghana need intimate premium $10 million. And the economy is sky. That is the problem. Which the more and any other government be from the ministry no call YouTuber on by steady. Ghanaians, young guys are eba and go for a struggle with YouTube. You know, a build baby and they are cutting off. Revenue cost and they are cutting off. Buying it to me a bum and a YouTube for trust.
Yeah,
say this is a guy near or protecting or be every country be on their own interest.
Okay.
Now, when who say members ni at the same time, so abiding bemwa on Timis and ye Ghanaians from
basa.
Because YouTube, no, there's a money there. Sika hopa.
And then almost nyaka free en ho.
Naka, omunyaka free oh. Oh, intino mi hu ni say mmere ne nyantwam aban no na ese wo na ni back creative action so ye issue movie change Ghana idea ben edin
exactly I was say government no ebem na ye use movie e dey change Ghana I think say Papa Kasaye no one that say oh, the founder and I say godfather of the industry. I mean brilliant me dey bia me can say we say ye here app ye nyina ye be channel ye focus up Papa ye hwe bibi app no ye ejima na ya movie yes movie near $1, which is saying do $1 and do £1 do €1. Na movie na drop in man there. Nipa e be betimi ato movie never bro 100,000. Nipa 100,000 say $1 a day.
Anya
100,000 can.
Masa anya 100,000. Asem we ni maka uka obi
and it's easy so benya because a app numbers people all over the world.
My brother, let me tell you the Kumawood. Your viewership. Kumawood viewership. And I say Kumawood. Omo hwe etoye no motoye movie kese ne nyina no. Eye omo outside. Almost about 60% customers in your outside. Wow. Every Monday bia no mo boss no master down. We dey call Asia, we dey call London, we dey call US, we dey call bia percent en crofo nya bi ehwe. She say ye jaye no. Omo hwe movies on YouTube. It is it mean your app. Near say okay, the nationwide not pick it perfect app.
Okay.
Maybe senior on YouTube no, I'll pull out.
Even the all crying German and but the new ones come.
Say oh call YouTube. Now when you be here you come to the perfect app.
I some rough no.
And man say maybe page of you know, me page I you know old movies one.
Yeah.
Meet my channel people I'm with that app. Yeah. So open new movie there and old movie and bra. It's so simple.
It's so simple. And it will work perfectly. It will work perfectly.
Baby, I see it mean sika now.
I think that now Moma is easier than before.
I'm telling you. Before we make CD, posters, English,
jewel case,
all these things in our wahala. As of now, only the product no one will
post. Now I will post the account.
No, I
soft copy.
Na ya publishing power.
Blogger be a
answer. Na blogger be a wake up. At least within month, with many nipa 200,000
better.
Okay, 2 cities, one award 2 cities. When you have 400,000 up and with a 70% free. na app no nye de enye 30 it is a show for maintenance and 70% from a year say na beko but ka aban no person you see the entire obi say Argentina yeah juma I think say this Saturday omo interview me on Peace FM na presenter na case Argentina aban no na ye press e ma aban no the entire aban beba mu no we don't need money from government yes cow perfect app on adopt on class no adopt perfect app
no more invest
no for long come say ye ne dey ye nyina ye ko perfect app
se server na mo de be mo big server
so ta say enwa no aban no se 70% na mete no what to tax free
exactly
before that movie tax free na pay kwa na revenue for bebre before some sika na meduru no they say we football any other you boy we na tax ya titi bi free easy for government no to say YouTube as at now
America for emra no matter
tax American tax no mutin e Ghana for the mutin enko America for humanet Nigeria dey no omuti ma government government we ni we don't have any idea some for dollars to kroma based on YouTube.
A huge amount of money.
A huge amount. Now my problem is say okay, one no say part of the YouTube no. Can me grow yes make. Utilem jira say. Yes make say be asika wo. Say ne ba be me tax. Ghana ni be black man be no pay tax. But me pay. So at least you know, say buy here, I feel like producers bit me sky ba.
Exactly. Omonye tax ne ke omo fa nye bibi. They should invest.
No, say we invest here. So we invest e ayini mu a. O tax a wo gi nyina no we nya investment. Enyam fa so abro. It is our sister du mama Kumasi Asante Kotoko na has. Na every year you be match na e de hoyema. Hoyema o to tax free. O to tax free. Investment no so ye dem oh so senye aban no kura na diska be ye app no e so many app metimi aye dem adapt it up you know na ye hunu say look say server ni so a de ne aban ye be ye metimi nya server kese na se nipa baswa
traffic biama
so ye position nyina e ko okay it become a law obi amfani sini nkwa obi amfani sini nko television bi obi amfani sini nko obi na me se mo ba bi amenye sika me sini nko television akopede
mfa nko to YouTube
YouTube ayede se me nya only just 2 series wo obi ara me ko YouTube on kopede ko YouTube on kra no
ibu anye unya onte ho
be that a build up.
Nti no ntina obi atwa bia sa one camera no ko ne baby on moka bia.
I say ni twa na say kwa artist ni bitua ka. Because untimi kofa ko pulu events 50,000 makaso be yesini papa na dia ko YouTube cannot work. So that's Ntino it's like
there's so
and any person untimi ngaso tena hokwa. You need to do something.
Exactly.
So ntina sa ankofo we mu no me respect them seriously. Chinchine twan and Tafu TV event say bobo. I respect them because time I dey call for no. So comment me and raise and go for a short video and never na dey. We call US ko enkofo mo.
Exactly.
Ah say nya una enye fema.
Ko for the release stress.
Nanka. Ko enkofo hwere. Thank God for Bobo and Chinchin and China other papa with girlfriends boy siki omudi kakra boy siki mudi kakra apike Dr. Lucky
dominate obi
ayebi sa and Mr. T Kumawood and Kumawood show almost start YouTube no abua ben kofu sem crofo na boa because almost starting no for them sacrifice na musika bi ani oh ye bi me oh ye de agro and I de be abu mama and ne they are doing well I say to me boy nsem ma wo mo champa almost why there a do point every point bia in the society be do bia no e do transitional ye woni pa bi on de de be o de ko nye bibia na kokko se wa akofa baaye no chinchina transition no na se o de ko no e do ba bia dimension no bi de ko ampa me won se wo de kwa na me ni wachi
we follow
say follow YouTube no brother sa ban kura bo YouTube no ho ban awie nya app bia
exactly
do you know say sa ban bo YouTube no ho ban no obi owo sika pa pese o build it up obetumi a build it up to extend say every month we bring revenue kase pa
exactly
me wo friends o mo Nigeria Remy Jess mo ne ada oje mo ne ada friends say Sonny Collins mo ne ada o mo page my brother say o ko 1.5 to 2 million viewers subscribers and one subscribers what the 200,000 what the 200,000 if you look at the way our page look at the way do you think so we lose revenue
only your papa evangelist because the godfather in the industry my boys ni easy say papa passion o generations upon generations
and you know you do point whereby now kasa Agya Koo nkrofo bi ko fufu producers bi na make say me but bibi sa ba kra no I don't think there is a problem because at the end of the day you know a character no unya no invest on some council
okay
di kwan a be fa so on some council no for me no na be nti no na nche da nya me
anya big deal
nti Agya Koo de all time obi anya beat in record
on the kita highest record in the industry
ena eba miracle films de one make miracle films all time medina yes so many wonders and na Mcbrown Empress na a ye stars uho mu nyina pie and son na bit my star no is Empress de Oroba
I say
Mcbrown na timi do pie obi bia me di ni pie bia na Mcbrown
from Agya Koo
ba Mcbrown di ni pie
okay
Apostle John Pry pie Mcbrown di ni pie
okay
Mr Beautiful pie Mcbrown di ni pie apart from Kodok Chumasimo on do beto wo
okay
and the Biola Samuel beto wo there
okay
I don't want to mention it because on do beto wo
adwuma
obi ti say why na do no so akrobeto na Mcbrown di ni pie
wow
Messi Sidu na Mcbrown di ni pie even including the win no yes sini ba ko bi ordinary Mcbrown normally no other artists no omo ye adwuma but when you come to miracle na wunya compare with Mcbrown and one no we show worry pa and a mal win a year the be if it is increasing Agya Koo Roman father nti Mcbrown I one of the character
a key player say but the pair one went to me and Pierre there is a P the all the other stars they buy nyina Mcbrown all the characters are back apart from one over two Matajo Sata over two director Chumasi over two Bella Samoa chief asare bidia over two over two de no
but wow over two no mi na bobe mu ne ayimunya Mcbrown be yi omu nyina pie obi bia o mobile nyam come head that try with the manual
no push you
to omu nyina Mcbrown it me push you omu it me Boga Sylvia Mcbrown the push you so ntino uhemu a one of idea a miracle from sir were pushing to form more
to make a lot of people
most year who more start so one banyina Mcbrown come the ma wa gafa beneda gafa any guess mo maka mama say wa mo ne omu nyina Mcbrown
wow
Mcbrown you omu nyina pie ntino we are one of the silver slide anambwa slide Mcbrown ti uemu one of the character na mitimidi epe yinkrofo pie no ono Mcbrown ankasa kra wonim
okay
onim
tame o hwe character we has a character we there ne shine e ba no nti ma memfa ne mpe Mcbrown no mpushi no ti
Mcbrown no kra do wonim se bia me kan
se yi ne se wo kan wa ha
wonim but ono le pushi wo abrame minim se me do pay Mcbrown so wo ba so ram wo pay Mcbrown a steps be fa ampa obia me ne pay ne bia e fa
wow
bia
exclusive on Poleeno Multimedia
obia wayosi pa Mcbrown ayi Shotingo
Joshua Tingo Americana
omu nyina tuwe mu omu bae mu ne ayi nyina no Mcbrown na atimi apushi omu ema enei no
enti omu so ebi nim say Mcbrown and pushi omu
for me no omu ntimi hu because for so me star na aba
okay
but me strategy me pese oba no this is Mcbrown
okay
minim so te dem Mcbrown no kra do
onim se me ho enti
na character na won so nim
okay
enti me na nim se it's a beautiful way baby wodru no yen from Mcbrown no me pushing to say the we inject battery wo na de battery for sisu ama no akeke no pew nti omu nyina no me sheda na
ye hwe one Messi edu asori ba gidi
pa na se edu oyi na pie ba se asori ba na mu oyi wa yo sipie
okay
so asori ba na mu guy bi na fe na busua
okay
no on pekumase one of the challenger contender but the guy is very good at busia but no on pekumase
ade no on pekumase tina say
kumase no you know kumase ne na kumase nkrofo pe hat ba because ya na man fusura omo matranka che no anzu da bi ebeku ebetwa uti ni sa no ma no wo fo adwim but omo ze Agya Koo de ono ye kumase ni guy dada nti wo ka so omre kumase a onim se kumase bibia ni ha omo sa ayi ni nyina enene ye fene se
abedu
de adu ya just we yi nkofo bebrebe ya pie ama nkofo bebrebe timi awa nti no
I think so no I would see a surprise though. All right, my name is Samuel Yameche, evangelist, and I ha a teaching come. Evangelist, why evangelist is there? And I'll be 2 years. You for Kakao and Yamiase Munanka. You didn't have no Aban here. A futua, the Bemobi and say, and I'm semi evangelist, me Kanyame Asampa at the Chilenko for baby. Na Adeba kwa ye lucky na Ema Yesu Christo buy na ye jaika and I'm Pesami Kane. Already Yesu Christo buy say obeton onyankopon amaye si onyankopon yo odo nyankopon. Okay. Omo buy nyina from Adam pensu Moses eba Elijah mo ba Elisha eba on the Isaiah ne adifo eba nyina obi e ton nyankopon so ye wicked God. Okay. God is wicked. Utiana na so be kun utiana na so be yesi. But and then me jina already Yesu Christo dima catch is not true. Okay. God is pure love. Said ya ubaye bone a untimi twa na santonkre no. Sa na wo ye bone already untimi twa santonkre. Ukon nchen anytime any day obe welcome. Enti na day me fasa akwanya we so. Na ma catch obi a say kwa already nchen.
no matter boni bi a with them bra obeye de ben obejo awurade Yesu Kristo kan ewo ebra na wode ebebuo ede mayen efa oba de sefo odi boni fio papa nchan kekan sem bi koi ba oba en papa ne de ben
saje
odi enu gina ho se sa na awurade tie awurade mpam nipa se Pentecost ben wa me ne wo kasa ya bowura ho abra wodi boni Assemblies of God ben wa bowura ho abra wodi boni Baptist ben wa bowura ho wo Roman ben wa fichiri wa wura ho wo deeper life wura ho because asori no e wo hot is a clinic say yare the more na wo kono the more one abenye wa yaresa enti bomoden na jiewade Yesu Kristo di na bra sori wo de fa obon ne bra awurade Yesu be de be obejo o si fa wo niswa nyina bra niswa nyina ye bone bra obe de be obesio be da wase awurade nshira
I mean sure papa say oje your first one na twetwen komo I mean a lot of education now interview and the chat talk ran o de nyankofon agya kwan I mean sure I mean kan ho no nyokese na omo fie bebra o de beboa industry I mean kan
amen.
All right, any day interview no ABC.
Me want certain teachings be amedeba.
Okay.
Are purely controversial.
Teachings no.
A pure controversial. Bible nyanya me asem.
Bible nyanya me asem.
Nyanya me asem. And you're holy. The tape is there. I'll give it to you. We'll just publish it.
As we say, say nyanya me asem no true.
No, it's not true.
Okay.
You see, that is why pastors any other body bia what kind Bible bia ko debater no flopping.
Okay.
Because Bible no kan nyame de nyame asem no kan Bible nim.
Okay. Enye ni nyina na nyame asem.
Bible nyame asem mo Bible nim. But Bible no anya nyame asem. E de senke bia entire Ghana. Na yesi o Muslims wo Ghana. But Muslims in Ghana we nyina any Muslims.
Okay.
The Bible no
nyame asem ni bi wo. But enye ni nyina na nyame asem.
Okay. Ntunti min kase Bible ye de be.
Nyame asem.
It contains the word of God, but any word of God.
Okay. Teachings we dey e be person be.
Me come mo we atwe am go and publish. Me say nyano nkwa ye mo amount. So many controversial Bible no ya so funny deal. Me share say nche babo me.
All right. Yeah, director, evangelist Samuel Akasinya Mchenye na etwetwe common. I mean, while my a lot of enlightenment or I mean conversation. Me sure so also any actually. But controversial topic me there. I say ufule ya obinya. What I say? Enche be drop in nyina. Now so I didn't share. I'll comment. Me I'm strong Poleeno there. Ko Instagram Poleeno_com ne ko follow. Na wako YouTube so ahaya na subscribe na click the bell notifications so anytime we drop any interview be and you get it straight. A very exclusive and one. And you have until baby background.